Good. Hey guys, it's Beast Boy, and today we're going to do the farm. We're going to do a fire alarm check. So,
yeah, your
here
boy,
we go.
the fire alarm engineer.
Okay, so we'll hand it
Just
over.
follow me.
Okay, come.
Here.
Do you want your face shown or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Make sure to get 10 subscribers, Peace Boy. You'll be doing a fish for thing.
Yes.
Is that right, Peace Boy?
Yep, that is completely correct. Let's do this.
I need you to have a checklist, okay?
Okay.
So we're testing mainly most alarms.
Okay, alarm
We're
testing.
testing the burglar alarm.
This is a toy, by the way. If you're wondering, it's not real.
It's a machete.
It's a toy.
I used it to make the intro.
See, it doesn't do anything.
It does. Let me show them.
It only cuts paper. See, only paper. Papers, please.
Yeah,
I don't
sure
want to get demonetized.
On Roblox.
Yeah, my name is IDK. I actually don't know.
I will show you his name.
No. My name isn't that anymore. I've lost the password. No, I don't know the password. I forgot it. Did you log Okay, so we're still here. If you're bored, I'm just gonna go get some music on quickly. Okay, I don't know what music you like, but then this was selected by this person, the fire alarm checker.
Just get all geared up, health and safety.
Perfect.
Got this for some B-roll.
I got this. This, by the way, I have no idea what it is, but it's cool.
It's called a millimeter gap measure.
Okay.
See your boy, fire engineer knows everything. Get the B-roll.
This is his Roblox name, by the way. Okay, enough of the music. Sorry. Give me so filming.
Yeah, just get the B-roll,
Okay. Well, it might be pretty boring for you to be doing this, but we're sorry. We don't really.
Legally, we have to do this. We legally have to do this.
This is my second time ever filming.
Oh dear Jesus, I'm rigid.
Well, if you can't, I can't. I'm smaller.
I'm just actually going to stack up my 50 pounds. I'm only shorty, guys. I'm only shorty.
Yeah.
I'm a dwarf.
No, I'm dwarfer.
Right, boy. Rest in peace, headphone users.
I'm getting out of here.
Film me.
I'm gonna film you from here.
It's angled wrong way.
Sorry.
You need
Okay.
to move, just hold it and then hide and then peek. Peek from the front room.
No, I'll just go here.
Hi.
You're getting filmed.
Right, move out of it. It isn't that much. But rest in peace, headphone users. I'm testing it.
Seems good.
It's good. That's it. Persistent test 1. Normal videos will be going back. Let's go back to the outro.
Okay. Put on the music. Peace Boy and Fire Alarm Boy out.